Good morning YouTube. Welcome back to our channel Miles on Bike. So in today's video I'll be showing you a brand new helmet which I recently purchased. I bought LS2 MX 470 Subverter helmet, which is right here, which I'm showing you right now. So this is the helmet. And why I chose this helmet over other brands, I'll tell you. I have a couple of points which I wanted to discuss, where I'll be telling you the features which you get in this helmet and which I like the most, because the color of the helmet and the color of my bike both matches, so I like this color, first thing. And second thing is the design of the helmet. You might be wondering, what are this black color honeycomb type things which are sticking out of the helmet? So these are nothing but the air vents which you get for this helmet. And one plus point what I understand is you get 20 air vents, which is quite unique for a helmet at this price range. And yes, I forgot to mention, this costed me 12,700 rupees, and I got it from HDRZ Mods BTM layout. So you can definitely go and check out their shop. I think most of them know the shop pretty well. So I got the helmet from there. So as I was telling you, this gets 20 air vents, which I have not seen in many helmets in the past which I have used. So I'll show you where are the vents. So you get 2 vents here and 2 vents over here, and I think here you have 8 vents, okay? And here you have 3 vents, here 2 and here 2. So you get that complete breathing space for your head. Say for example you are riding in a hot sunny day, for example, you know how sweaty you will become while riding in the hot sunny day. So I don't think so you will be that much sweaty when you are using this helmet. And plus this is really lightweight, okay, very lightweight, and this is made of a KPA material, kinetic polymer alloy kind of a material shell which is made, okay. So as you can see, it's very flexible, and yeah, it's very flexible. And the next thing is you get the double D-ring, which is really helpful, as you all know how the double D-ring works and how it is really helpful in terms of crash or when you are trying to open your helmet. It's very easy to unlock and lock it in, okay. And one more thing, in case of emergency, say for example you met with a crash and you need to remove the helmet very quickly, so they are given additional 2 chin strap here, okay. As you can see, it is mentioned pull, so to remove it, it will be easily come out, so that you need not wait to remove the double D-ring or anything. You can just pull this out, the helmet comes freely. And plus it comes with .ECE certified, and also it comes with ISI. I know this they have stick the logo here, but nowadays, you know, majority of them are preferring, the government is preferring to go for ISI helmets rather than high-end helmets. I know high-end helmets are quite expensive and they are very good as well, because they come with good protection and all, but you know. So as far as my concern is, the helmet is really good, and you get the 3 different screws over here, okay. So which you can easily adjust the this one, the upper portion of the helmet, you can pull it front or you can pull it back. And one more thing is, you don't get inner visor for the helmet, okay. You need to buy separate goggles, something like this. I'll just show you how it fits. I'll just show you how we can fit this, okay. See, as you can see, the helmet I wore, no, you can see the space here, and the vision what I am having, it's a little bit wide compared to the other helmet which I have worn, where the ventilation stops till here, okay, and your vision will be only this much. But here it's much more wider and much more larger, so you get the complete view when you're wearing this helmet. So as I was telling you, this is the goggles. So usually you need to put it like this. That's it. So this is how the goggles fits in. So you can see it covers your eyes completely, and these goggles cost you somewhere around 500, 600, and it goes up to 2000, 3000 based on the brands which you purchase. And as you can see, the view which I was telling you, so it covers still your head complete portion, and you can see the visibility of your face, and this way also. And for this price point, I think it costed me 12,000, as I told earlier, 12,700, which is quite decent for the price range and also for the brand. Most of them prefer this motocross kind of helmets for their off-road bikes. So that's the reason why I chose this one. I hope I gave you all the best answer which I could, which I found useful in this helmet. So do let me know in the comment section if you like the video, or if you want more related content like this in future. Please do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, so it will be really helpful for us to create more better content for you guys regularly. I am Praveen Kumar, aka Miles on Bike. So I'll be posting regular videos going forward, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.